Action words. The action words express action. They are called doing words or verbs. Action words tells us what people, animals or things do. For example, play, read, rise. Let us look at some other action words. Stand, hope, run, climb, drink, sleep, play, read, jump, skip, write, eat. Is or are. We use is when we talk about one person or thing. For example, a monkey is wild. We use are when we talk about many persons or things. For example, monkeys are wild. Has or have. We use has for one person, place, animal or thing. It is used with he, she, it, this or that. For example, she has a bicycle. We use have with I, we, you, these, those and they. For example, we have 2 children. Ing words. We add ing to the end of an action word to tell that the action is happens as. For example, the bus is standing. Now open page number 35. Okay, let's start writing the textbook part. See here, match correctly to tell the action you do with each of these. Okay, we have to match. Toothbrush. With the toothbrush, what will you do? Yes, you will brush. So, match. Yes. Next is soap. With the soap, what will you do? Yes, here the option a rub. So, match rub. Rub means with the soap we will rub our body. No, that's comb. With comb we will comb our hair. Right? So, match dress, we will wear our dress. No. So, match pencil. With the pencil, what will you do? You will write. So, match with the pencil. Toy. With the toy, what will you do? You will play. No. So, match to play. Bed. You will sleep. So, match. Okay. Now, complete the crossword with the correct word. Okay. We have to see what quacks. Duck. So, number 1 where? We have to write duck in that place. See, number 1. Duck spelling D-U-C-K. Every letter must be capital. Why? Because they have given the capital letters. Okay. Next, what ticks? Tick. What is this? Clock. Where is number 2? Number 2 here. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. Then, what barks? Who is he? A dog. No. So, number 3. 3 where? Yes. Here. Okay. D-O-G. Dog. Next. What cleans? Who cleans? Yes. Who will clean? The broom will clean. No. What is this? It is a broom. So, what is the number? 4. Where is number 4? Number 4 here. Broom. B-R-O-O-M. O O M. Broom. Next. What protects? What is this? Helmet. Right? So the number is number 5. See, where is number 5? Here. HELMET. Helmet. Next. What lights? What is this? Bulb. The number 6. Number 6. Bulb. 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 Next, number 7. What flies? Yes. What flies? What is this? Helicopter. So the number is 7. You have to find out where is here. HELECOPTER. Helicopter. Once more the spelling. HELICOPTER. Helicopter. Turn the next page. Write the action word for each picture. So we have to write the action word. So action is a verb, no? So we have to write the action word. Okay. See here. What is this? Swim. No? Write the spelling of swim. 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 And this. What? What these children are doing here? Yes. Eat. Eating. No. So we have to write eat. 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 And next picture see. The dog is chasing a cat. So we have to write the action word is chase. 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 Next see. What is this? Yes. This girl is catching a kite or something here. Okay. So what we have to write? The action word is catch. 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 And here, yes, the two boys are climbing on the fence. So action word is climb. 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 Next, circle the action words in these sentences. So we have to circle the action word. I ran into the room. So what is the action word here? Ran. Okay. Next, my brother sat on the swing. Action word is sat. Next, we eat breakfast in the morning. So action word is eat. Action means what, ma? Yes, work or something happened. Okay, this action. Is that an eagle carrying eggplants? Action word is carrying. My sister saw a giraffe. Action word is saw. I like English. Action word is like. Select an action word from the first box and a noun from the second box and complete the sentences. So here we have to select one word from the first box and another word from the second box. Then we have to complete this sentence. Okay. See here. My friend can dash a dash. Yes. We have to take one word from here and another word from here. Okay. See. We can select read. My friend can read. R-E-A-D. Read. Read what? What? We will read. Book, right? So, read a book. B-O-O-K. Book. Now we got a sentence. What is the sentence? My friend can read a book. Next, mother can dash a dash. So we have to take one word from here. Mother can bake, B-A-K-E, bake a, what we can bake, cake will bake, no? So we have to take this word, C-A-K-E, cake. Now we got a sentence. See here, mother can bake a cake. Now, father will dash and dash. Father will eat, E-A-T, eat, and what he eat? And given here. So, the vowel letter here, E. So, we can take egg, okay? And egg, E-G-G, egg. Now, let's read this sentence. Father will eat an egg. Next, my sister can dash a dash. My sister can, what we can select from here? Yes, my sister can stitch. Stitch, S-T-I-T-C-H. Stitch. Stitch a, what she stitch? Yes, dress. D-R-E-S-S. Dress. Now see the sentence. My sister can stitch a dress. Next, my brother will dash a dash. So my brother, one word here, catch. My brother will catch, C-A-T-C-H, catch a, what he will catch? Ball, B-A-L-L, ball. See, my brother will catch a ball, okay? Next, see the next exercise part. F. Write is or are. Okay. For singular we will use is, and for plural we can use are. Okay. Singular means one, plural means more than one. Bets. See, bets. Selma, I told you, no, for singular we have to use is, and for plural are. But singular or plural? Yes, plural. So we have to write are. A-R-E, are. Bun is. Only one, no. That's why is. Cows, one or more than one? More than one. That is plural. So we have to write are. A-R-E, are. Pens, more than one. A-R-E, are. Chair, only one. So is. I-S, is. Apples, more than one. So are. A-R-E, are. Brushes, more than one. Means plural. Okay. So are. A-R-E, are. Girls, more than one. Are. A-R-E, are. We. So many will be there, no? So are. A-R-E, are. He, only one person. So is. Phones, more than one. So are. A-R-E, are. Book, only one. So is. Okay. So do you understand where we have to use is and are? For is we use for a single person or a singular word. For are we have to use for a plural noun or plural word, and also this is for more than one or more than things or noun, we have to use are. Okay, this is singular and this is plural. Okay, fill in the blanks with is or are. Okay, Lily dash a flower. See, this sentence is singular or plural. A means only one. No, so we can use Lily is a flower. A raccoon dash a wild animal. So for A we will have only one. Okay, so we have to use for singular. This is a singular word sentence, so we have to use is. Is. Now see, raccoon is a wild animal. My bag dash new. My bag only one here given. It is a singular word, so we can use is. These mangoes dash ripe. Mangoes. So mangoes singular or plural? Yes, it is plural. More than one mangoes are here. Yes, mangoes. So we have to use are. A-R-E. My aunt dash a kind lady. My aunt. One or how many aunts? Only one. No. So we have to use is. The children dash in the park. Children. Children means more than. Plural word. So we have to use are. A-R-E. Are. Okay. Turn the next page. Fill in the blanks with has or have. Okay, we have to fill the blank with has or have. So before that you have to remember that where you have to, I explained here in this lesson, in the beginning video I have explained where to put has and have. So see here once more I will tell. Has is used with one person, place, animal or thing. So has is used for what? One person. Okay. And it is used with he, she, it, this or that. So he. For he we have to use has, she has, it has, this has, that has. Like that we have to use has for a singular person, place, animal or thing. And also these are all singular, right? This or that. This means one, that there also one. So we have to use has for singular. For example, see here, she has a bicycle. She. So we use has. Okay. Next, have. Where to use have? Have is used with I, we, you, these, those and they. Okay. I, you, we, they, these, those. These are all plural. Okay. These means so many. Okay. Those also so many will be there. That's why those. They, many. So we have to use have for a plural. Okay. Many, more than one. We have to use have. See, we have 2 children. Have, why we use we? We means many. I, not only one person. More than one. That's why we use have. Now got students? Now listen. My aunt dash a yellow car. My aunt. And how many person here? Only one person. Singular, no? That's why we have to use has. H-A-S. Has. Next. They dash 2 sisters. See? They. They means singular or plural? Plural. So we have to use have. H-A-V-E. Have. The cat dash a long tail. The cat. Cat only one? No. That's why we have to use has. H-A-S. Has. Next. A lion dash a thick mane. A lion. Lion. Only one. So we have to use has. Okay, students. Do you understand? Where we have to use has and have? Has for what? Singular, and have for plural. Okay. Now, ing words. See here. Add ing to the action words as shown in the example. Okay. The bus is standing. See. S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G added. So, standing means we have to use ing for the action words. We have to write ing forms. Okay. The clown is jump. We have to use what? Jumping. J-U-M-P-I-N-G. Jumping. The action word is jump. So with action word we added ing. Okay. So why we are using action word, students? We use ing at the end of the action word to tell that the action is happening, now going on. The action is happening. See, the teacher is teaching. Teaching means now she is teaching. Standing, now the bus is standing now. So, ing form we use, the action is happening. Now the action is happening. For that we have to use ing forms. Means, now the action is happening. Then for such sentences we have to use ing. Okay. See, the bell is ring. Ring is the action. And what is the ing form? R-I-N-G-I-N-G. Ringing. We added ing. Means the action is happening. We are drink. We are, action word is drink. So we have to write D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G. Drinking. Action word is drinking. Okay, students. This is all for today. And write everything neatly in your textbook and send to me in the WhatsApp. Have a nice day, students.